Hi, I'm Kelcey Cockrell, Product Manager with Kubota Tractor Corporation, and behind me we are introducing a new series. This is the new LX Series, and it's really going to complement our entire compact tractor lineup. This is a crossover is how we term it. It's right in between where our B Series and our L Series fits. This is excellent for the commercial and residential customers that want the maneuverability of our B Series, but also want the power and the functionality of our L Series. And so we're going to go ahead and get a little bit more into the details on this series. So you have two different model options. You've got your 24.8 horsepower and your 30.8 horsepower models to choose from. This series really encompasses comfort, quality, and versatility. Right behind me, you'll see where we start off with comfort. We offer a factory installed cab. This comes standard with heater and AC. It also gives a lot of other really nice deluxe features like a high back suspension seat with standard armrest. You also have front LED work lights, side mirrors, rubber floor mat, cruise control, tilt steering. I mean, when it comes to deluxe features, this cab is really going to have it all. And even our open operator station models will still offer a lot of those same nice deluxe features. When we look at the actual quality of this machine, it still has that nice Kubota quality with its Kubota built diesel engine, metal hood, metal chassis. You also have the Kubota built transmission. So from front to rear, it is Kubota built, and that's something that we are very proud to represent in our manufacturing capabilities. When we look at the versatility of this machine, starting off from the very front, you see a nice Kubota built performance matched LA 535 front loader. This does come with standard 2-lever quick coupler for skid steer style attachments. You also see the optional mechanical self-leveling kit. This is very nice for those pallet fork applications, as well as a swift attach loader kit, which allows for ease of taking the loader on and off from the operator station without ever having to get off the tractor. And of course, that comes with a nice 1-lever quick coupler with flat face, no spill hydraulic coupler. So it's, again, very easy, very simple, and very good to use. We also have an optional 4-point quick connect front hitch that you can put on the front loader for snow removal. So again, when we talk about those commercial applications, having that snow removal front attachments is really going to benefit that municipality or snow removal application, especially in sidewalk usage. We also have some new industry exclusive tires. These are called the R14 T Tire. This is a new tire with a tread type that's new to the industry, and we're excited to see it take the industry by storm. This tread of tires, it's really good for your snow, your ice, and your mud applications. The way it's designed is it encompasses both your ag, your industrial, and your turf treads, and it really prevents the caking of the mud, snow, ice, but it also gives you the better ground pressure, so you don't have those same ruts in your ground, as well as more traction than what you see with current industrial tires. We also offer 2 different mid-mount mower options with this series of tractors, even up to that 30.4 or 30.8 horsepower. So you have a 60-inch and a 72-inch mid-mount mower deck you can put on it. And then, of course, you can always add a backhoe to the rear, as well as a full lineup of Land Pride performance-matched implements. To round out our LX series, we also have an LX 2610 SU model, which is a special utility model. What this basically is, this is the affordable option to that entry-level compact tractor person who's needing something that doesn't have all the bells and whistles. It doesn't have the mid-PTO for snow removal or mid-mount mower, but they just need something that's going to be able to lift 1,000 pounds and pull a 5-foot rotary cutter or put a backhoe on it. And it still has a lot of nice deluxe features, but it's at a more affordable price point for that customer that doesn't need everything. And that about rounds up the LX Series tractors. If you have any additional questions, feel free to check us out online at KubotaUSA.com or go visit your nearest dealer. These will be available come spring of 2020.